guys, it's Shakshi Shetty and welcome to my channel. So today I randomly decided to make pancakes. I've never made it before. I saw this recipe online and I think I can make it. So if you're looking for a professional video and all, then don't have high expectations. We're trying to experiment. Let's see if I can make a really good pancake. Either way, it's going to be very helpful for y'all because in case if I succeed, then you'll know how to make nice pancakes. In case if I don't, then you'll know how not to make pancakes. So either way, it's going to be super helpful. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go and make some pancakes. Guys, I'm doing it alone. No one's helping me out. I'm shooting also and I'm cooking also. We had something burnt. Then we got a little better. Then because it's like burnt from the back. And here it's a little burnt. And the last one is kind of better. Like it's not that burnt. Hi guys, I'm back and we had quite a journey with pancakes. Like you all can see, we started by a disaster. I lost hopes by then. Like when the first thing happened, I was like, I can't. I think we kind of have pretty good looking pancakes for the first try. Like obviously not first try, but in the first attempt. Anyway, now taste test. We're gonna try our pancakes. I removed the chocolates from the garnishing because I didn't want it to be extremely sweet. So y'all can keep the chocolates. I just added them for decor. So let's eat them. They taste really nice. Finally, the taste is amazing. So overall, I would say this wasn't a flop. This was pretty much a hit. We just had to struggle a little. But I'm pretty sure now next time onwards, whenever I make pancakes, I can do a pretty good job. First times are always a disaster, but this is pretty good. Like I would call this a success. So in case you guys try it out, you all have to tag me. I would be so happy to look at your pancakes. If you're looking at this video and you'll make pancakes at home, please decide to share it with me and I'll share it on my stories. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you all enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon. Follow me on my social media and I'll see you all next time.